Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to unbox two different cubes. One is a very common cube, but this cube is most awaited cube because this has come from very puzzle, and I waited for almost, more than 1 month rather. So first, let us unbox this. The packing is very nice because you can see they've put this corners also so that it doesn't get damaged. Okay, so okay, so this is the puzzle which I was waiting since long. So this is from very puzzle, and this is code V1. So I need to sticker it. So this is the cube, and they've sent the stickers also, so I need to sticker them. So once I'll sticker, I'll put this again with sticker. So this is a very amazing puzzle, and once I'll sticker it, I'll put it one more video on the same. So thank you for watching. And one more cube which I was saying is very ordinary is basically from, it is 2 by 2 pyramid cube. So it is very ordinary. Everybody so this is 2 by 2 pyramid cube. It is very smooth puzzle. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.